We are picking up our ape. I don't know if I did a drop-off video for it, but as you guys kind of heard when I was talking about it, the quick shifter was going out, was having a couple of problems with it, and right now we decided to let's give it a try and see if we can see what the problem is. And I think it should be all picked up. It sounded like it was quick shifter like we guessed, and it sounds like it should be all done. We might be a little early, not sure yet. We're gonna come back here and see if Jay's in here. What's happening? So there she is. She's a little taken apart, but new plates are in. We are still waiting for the quick shifter, sadly, but it should be here next week. Sadly, they were sold out. Was it Translogic we're going with? So once it gets here next week or the following week, we'll come back. Sadly, I'm gonna have to be grabbing clutch, no quick shifter or auto blip. But once it's here, I'll come back and get it installed. All right, Jay is gonna take her for a little test ride, make sure everything's put together, run it right. Brand new clutch is in. He's gonna make sure everything is nice and good, but we will see. Hopefully it's all good. Then we get to take her home. One sad thing about it is there is a 500 break-in period, so it is going to be a little while before we get to rip on her again. Like I said, so 500-mile break-in, so we are gonna have to be a little bit nice to her for a little while, and then hopefully after about those 500 miles, clutch is good, quick shifter gets here, and we will be ripping on her. Like I said, we do have some new BT Moto straps, if you don't know, so we can strap down that front end and do a couple of pulls and hopefully keep that front wheel down. But let's walk and check. Ooh, a little R6. This is probably gonna be what the next bike is. Hopefully coming this upcoming winter for a track build. A Ducati. Ooh, looks a little beat up. R1, Kawasaki, BMW. That's the R6 track bike. I wonder what they want for that one. That's in my my search. We're looking for that exactly. Oh, this Beamer is missing some pieces. One of my favorite naked bikes, the Street Fighter SP. I think this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Oh, is this a Street Fighter S? Is it not an SP? Does he just have SP bodywork? Open clutch. That thing's pretty. He needs the carbon canards, but he got the carbon rear tire cover. What else? Yeah, you need the carbon. Oh, you got a little scrapey scrape, but you need the carbon arms. Are they Rizomas? Nope. Oh yeah. Oh no, they're just Ducati adjustable levers. But yeah, they're beautiful. If I bought a naked bike, this is the only naked bike I'd probably get. Jay just got back from the test ride. He says it felt great. So it sounds like it might have been, oh, sorry. Hopefully this wind noise isn't too terrible. Hopefully it was just the plates. Like I said, quick shifter will still be coming in. And huge thank to Mally Motorsports again for helping me figure out this problem with the bike. Sadly, last time we were here, that beautiful HP4 here was here. It's gone, it's sold. But yeah, huge thank you again to Mally Motorsports for hooking it up and helping me get this figured out on the bike. Oh, and we're buckled up. Huge thank you again, Mally Motorsports. If you need a bike, they do insurance. They deal with insurance and fixed bikes. They sell bikes. They sell cars. They do a little bit of everything here. So if you need anything, make sure to hit them up. What do I got in this pocket? Oh, they do a little bit of everything. We're going to start this recording. Get some X4 footage for you guys because I haven't got enough. All right, come on, get this glove on. We're struggling out here. It's been like, it would be a month tomorrow since I've rode. So it's going to be a little different. I'll see ya. Thank you. Oh yeah, those plates were definitely already going bad before when I got the bike. These things feel so much more grippy. Hey yo, wait, what did I just say? Did I just say grippy? That is crazy. It's been a while since I did all this. So yep, we're closed there, zipped up. Cool. That quick shifter felt fine right there. Warm them up a little bit.
what I did find out right now was I do have to sadly baby this bike for about 500 miles. So right now we are at 38. So until I get to about 42, 43, Jay said you only need about 100, but I would rather, oh my god, see, I left in second. I didn't even downshift, and it literally gripped perfectly fine. Oh yeah, it definitely was the plate. That quick shift bite was so much better. Oh yeah, we got our baby back. We got our baby back. Sadly, like I said, I can't rip on her. Oh, we rolling. We're on a hill. Gotta switch feet. Let's open this sucker up. Oh, we got her back. It's been too long. Oh yeah, those plates were definitely going out early. Remember, no going crazy, stickers. No going crazy. Gotta break her in, you know. Gotta stretch her legs, you know. Can't pull a arm out here, break a leg, right? Or tear an Achilles. First ride with her. This has been too long. We're tilted all the way up. Oh, a Mach 1. What a beauty. So, I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, but I do have a 73 Mach 1 that my grandpa bought himself in 1973. Not perfect condition, but restorable. My ultimate goal one day is to restore it and then buy a 2023 Mach 1, which is probably this. What's your opinion on it? I like this Nardo gray with the orange accent. Would you guys think that would be cool? Like, replicate this. Take this, put this style on the old Mach 1, and then drive them together. How insane would that be? Matching Mach 1s just 50 years apart? Like, wow. That would be insane. Maybe one day, guys, when we make it, one day, we are working on it. We are working on making it. One day, the day that we make it is the day we buy some cool things, build some cool things, and like I said, ultimate goal, build cars and bikes and give them away. But I'm gonna need your guys' help with that. So guys, make sure on this video you hit like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our posts. Because if you miss them, you ain't gonna watch them. And you know, we need every view we can get right now. We need all loyal there's about 100 of you guys that make sure and always watch my videos. Yeah, once in a while I'll have a video blow up that does better than others, but not all of them do. So I need all 100 of you guys to leave a comment, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for me, and it will help me tremendously. All right. Oh, you hear that? We got the popples back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got our popcorn, baby. Huge thank you again to Mally Motorsports for getting it fixed. We will be going back there because we still need the quick shifter. We did upgrade the quick shifter with them, so we do need to get the new quick shifter. So whenever that comes in from Europe, like I said, we will take one more trip out there to our boys at Mally Moto. But that's a wrap for this. We got our bike back, so you will start to see content again. You're not going to see this for about 2 weeks because I am luckily ahead, currently on the BMW video. So if you haven't watched that, make sure to go watch that one. I'm going to put a pop tag up right now. Bam. Alright, go watch that video. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video, like I said. Love you guys, stay safe, and I will catch you guys later.